Hi teacher, I am Cesar Eras of the 10C, and in this work I will present my plans for the future. And the title of the work is My Dreams for the Future. In this work I will present my two future plans, or what I want to be in a few years. First, I'm going to talk about my first dream or plan for the future, to be a physical therapist. I would like to be a physiotherapist because 2 years ago I injured my knee playing football, and despite doing therapy, I injured myself 4 times more so. I will be one of the best physiotherapists in the world in the future. I will follow that career in college to help all those who suffer from pain anywhere on the body and can live a healthy and quiet life. I like physiotherapy, so in my future plans I am going to study abroad to acquire better knowledge and help people who need physiotherapy. In my future plans I am going to study in the United States or Argentina. Physiotherapy is a great career to study. It is very important to know about this, as injuries or blows are very common in people day to day, and it is necessary to know a little to help. My other dream. My other dream is to be a footballer. Despite being injured and not being able to play, to practice the sport every day. I do therapy to be able to improve myself. Football or professional football career is one of the dreams of most young people today. It is very normal to see that guys trying very hard to become professional, and I will be one of them in the future. In my plans for the future, it is a priority to be a professional footballer, and I will be a professional footballer. Football is one of the best sports there is. One of the sports where if you are a professional, you are well paid, you can live in peace, and you will always have the support of your family and friends. In my plans for the future, I am going to play in Europe, and I want to represent my country in the future. That's all teacher, thank you for your attention.